Hi guys. Ang tutong sa orasaman mo? Kuya, ang tutong sa orasaman mo? Alas 10? Kayo? 3? Say hi! Nahal mo sa YouTube channel. Guys, this is the swimming pool on my background. So, galing lang tayo nag-dive. But later, magsuswimming ulit tayo dito na bitin. Money, among homestay. Swimming pool. Ano siya? Swimming town niya. Swimming. Right here. Swimming. Swimming ta swimming. So, mani dali ang kasama sa hotel. Pwede pa mag-swimming. So, wala pang kids. And then, okay guys, we're good. We're done with our shower and we're going back to our room. Okay, ano siya rin?
Ano to? Bakit Koi Cafe tapos Greenfield ano siya?
Anak, pangalan ko lang. Na para sa akong ate ba kay gusto man niya og bulad. Unya wa man day mapalit diri no.
Wala tay stock ma.
Wa jud.
Nihit ang so
Fourth day. So, moving island hopping. Bye-bye. Fourth day. Let's do the island hopping, guys. Ito tabi. Wala pa yung shuttle nila. And now, maghanap tayo ng tricycle para adto Balona. Okay, let's go. Kuya, maagi ka 7-Eleven? Maglakaw ulit? So, we're going to our island hopping, guys. Let's go. Lakaw na dahil. Dool ra ba na, kuya?
Makdo ah.
Makdo ra? Okay. Galumot. So guys, kasama natin yung mga ibang nag-shared boat. Nandun na sila. Lalakad lang tayo papunta doon and then enjoying the sand here in Panglao. Maybe tomorrow, ito lang yung gagawin natin. Magmumuni-muni lang tayo dito before we fly going back to Manila. So I will show you. Para din siyang Boracay actually. Para may station 1, 2, and 3. Mana ne? Dagan. Tara sila na.
Wow! Huwag kayo!
Na, dagan o.
Dagan kayo ha?
Wow, ang cute. Love it. Dagan na siya, oy. Nan, ang luod naman. Nang luod na. Wow, daghan kayo. Nice. So this is the dolphin. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Bye, dolphin. Kaso medyo makulimlim siya. Makulimlim ang araw. Walang araw.
Wow! Maray kamay po!
Mani mga pagkaon no? Mani madari.
Good for 2 person yan, ma'am.
2 person na Unya og isa ra ka haloy ka kayo og single ka. Mawa jud ay. Anay mga gear oh. And then right here. Nay mga shake din.
Una ka, ma'am. Dapat putas yan, ma'am. Wala ka ng powder.
Okay po. Unya na next naman. Unya na siya. Dali naman na shake. Wait kuya, unsa imong pangalan kuya? George, kuya George. Ah, nag-grupo si kuya George. Very good, very good. It's nice, ha? You're with me. You look like an celebrity. Okay. Okay, are we good? Masig maantog ka kuya, wala na tayong mga gaytan eh. Mauday ni siya. Maudod no? Ay, mao?
Katunga, pag yung mga. Yung bayar nyo, katunga, mga man. Dugo, pag yung ihatag. Kisina sa kapusan pa.
Mao. Sweldo din na siya, no?
Oo.
Hi! To our vlog. I have a vlog, but it's just personal vlog. When I traveled a lot. Here in the Philippines as well, yeah. But nice, no? You know Irene. I told her yesterday. Okay camera.
Okay.
Sam, hi, baby. What's your name? Lola. Lola. And you're Sam? Hi, Sam. We're here with Kuya. What's your name, Kuya? Yeah, we actually saw the pawikan earlier, the turtles. But right now, they're gone. There's one there, Kuya. The big one? Aside from the other one that we saw. Same one. Let's go there.
I think there's only one big.
And only one pawikan. Yeah. Yeah. Madami, madami.
Oh, is it?
A lot of people, guys.
They say that Tasha gets stressed.
Okay, can you take picture, Kuya? yung mga fishing. Dami guys. Balikasag nito yung balikasag. Daghan oh. Hello sa hi bebe Luna. Lola. With Lola from Spain. And she's a friend of my friend Irene. What a coincidence. Hello. Hi to our vlog. Oh, it's sumaalon. Naku, let's do na. Up, it's ready. We need to get there before the rain, heavy rain, huh? Heavy rain. Yeah. Hi, Lola. So we're good now. We do the dive, the snorkeling with the fish, with the sun. Na-stress yung fish ka. Na-stress yung ka. Pero dun sa dulo, yun yung walang tao. Dun ang daming fish. Dun sa akin yun. Ay, on the cliff area, the wide, yeah, it was nice.
You need me also to help?
Go there, so they will not and then it's the first time na umulan dito sa Bohol. I have, you have another tagwan? Wala na daw, no more. Grabe oh. Is this your first time here in Bohol? How was it? In the Philippines, wow. But is this your first out of town? You've been in Japan. But no, here in the Philippines, is this just in Bohol or in Siargao? Manila. Banawi rice terraces. Wow. Yeah, amazing, and it's so cold, right? I mean, it's cold. Not.
It wasn't as warm as in Manila.
Yeah, as in Manila. Correct. The weather much better than Manila. In Spain, is there
The Yumi. Oh, the alon. No.